Tara Love Diva Styles. Tara Love Diva Styles. I already washed my face and moisturized it, but I'm going to put on some vitamin E on my face. Vitamin E on my face. I love vitamin E. Now back to what I was saying before I was rudely interrupted. Bear with me with trying to put this in a ponytail, well, one side in a ponytail so I can wet the hair. Now we're just going to work on this back part here. Ow, ow. We're just going to wet it. Not so much because I'm not going to drench myself. This is water and conditioner. So this is the parting space right here. I'm going to have to put some oil sheen on it because I got some got to be glue spray on it. When I was spraying it down. Let's do the before and after. Oh my god, I just made a new unit. Oh my god, go to my YouTube channel and I just applied a wig and I just made this unit and da 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 da. And then when I see people getting cracked on because their hair looks like a wig, instead of coming, go wash my hands and come back and do my makeup. And it's a quick, not even a 5-minute makeup because I'm only putting on, I already have on vitamin E and I'm putting on mineral powder and some lips. So I'll be right back. Just to clean up the eyebrows and get rid of some. One side and one side.